So guys, today I want to teach you on how to trade with automated bots. Remember, manual trading is outdated, so you have to upgrade your game. So we'll do one trade, one deposit, one withdrawal. And I'm specifically on withdrawal because so many of you have got doubts. So let's get to it. So you will start by funding your Binance account, obviously using P2P. Depending on your country, you can choose your currency and buy any crypto of your choice. Remember, RunQuilly allows a lot of cryptos. So after that, make sure you have a verified RunQuilly account. You can go to your browser, search RunQuilly using this URL up there. After that, make sure you verify your account, and this is how a verified account looks like. And you can see mine is funded, so I'll just go direct to trading instead of wasting your time. So you'll scroll down. You can use a Bitrate bots, or for now we are trading spot trading using trading bots. So you will come choose the bot of your choice. Remember, if you have $100, that means all bots that are 100 and above are locked. Only that which is your amount is only which is unlocked. So you come to bots. For me, I'll do a trade of 1,000, and I'll trade with which bot is this? Start Pulse Trader. You can see it is running on profits, and I'll enter my amount of let's say 1,000, or let's enter 2,000. It's good. It's a good deal. It will run for 2 good hours. So I'll start my bot, and the bot has started. The bot has started. Let's check the live logs, not the logs but the live chat. So as you can see, it is running, and the first one was a profit of 47 USDTs, Remember, it scalps in different markets, but displays in USDTs made loss. And also I wanted to talk about this one. You should not expect only profits here. You expect profits and losses, but the bot has something called a recovery mode. You can see it has recovered the loss, and we are hitting we've hit $86 in profit, another loss. So let me go withdraw as the bot is running. I'll come just here, click on USDT, then enter my address. Let me copy in Binance. After copying your address in Binance, just come enter there, then enter amount. I'll enter 202. Remember, it's just for tutorial, guys. I've already made some withdrawals today, almost 1,000 plus. So I'll just review and confirm, then wait my assets in Binance. Meanwhile, we can check our trade, how it is going, guys, so that we can be informed. Let me refresh. There it is running. Let me check the logs. You can see 3 profits and 6 losses. I think we are running on a loss of 1.69, but no worries. You can see the recovery. As I told you, there is a lot of recovery. So let me wait for my withdrawal as the trade is running, then we'll get to it, and I'll inform you what's going on when we get back. So guys, as you can see, we are not cooking anything. The deposit has arrived. It's there. The balance has changed, and our trade is doing great. It's doing great. 6.8 now. You can see the profits and the losses. If you have time, you can be pausing and check how it was going. So the chart is here, not bad. You can see we are above the entry point. We are below the entry point right now, but no problem. We are still on profits, but it should finish. Yeah, we are above the entry point now. That one was a big win. You can see a win of 153. It's there. So the bot runs for 2 hours. We'll wait. For those who are lucky in my Telegram, you'll see the results I'll post there the results of this bot. And if you have any amount more than 350, or if you can start low, you can use other bots. But for those who have more than 350, you can consider using this bot. It's running on profits right now, so don't miss out.